Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, now I want to read some article about nearly 55 million worth of buried AP CryptoPunks NFTs reach liquidation amid that crisis. Analysts are divided on whether the potential NFT liquidation event is by the deep opportunity. Many owners of precious buried APS Club BAUC and CryptoPunks non-fungible token NFTs who uses them as collateral to take out loans in the Ether ETH have failed to repay their debts. The situation colled up to the NFT sector face massive liquidation event. A result of the floor dropping to 72, the first buys liquidation auction on BNDAO has begun. Unattacker of is this going to be the first bad debt domino that fall for the platform. But this viral incoming, the Blakes, the founder of Web3 Launchpad Double Studio, says lending service BNDEO co-liquidates up to 55 million worth of NFTs to recover its loans, fearing the so-called hill factor of these debts could fall below 1. Notable, an NFT collection's floor price is important in determining the hill factor BNDEO over 30% until 40% of the NFT's floor price as launched, but the protocol says the NFT its floor price falls too close to the amount for which a liquidity threshold as explained below. Meanwhile, the floor price of Blaze has fallen from 153 ETH in May to 69 ETH in August, a nearly 55% fall in 3 months. Simultaneously, the hill factor of the Atlas 20 loans which buys and collateral has fallen to 1 as of August 90. Data on BNDEO show there are currently 20 buys which under one hill. Borrowers have 48 hours to repay the loan or their NFT collateral will be liquidated. According to Doblex, this liquidation could lead to a death spiral for the buys ecosystem and NFT market as well, given BNDEO's exposure to other NFT projects, including CryptoPunks and Doodles. Opensea volume is at the lowest point ever in the last 12 months. The analysts were not adding, though simple, not enough volume the size this liquidation is inevitable. Opensea is the leading NFT marketplace by volumes. To be the deep or not, nevertheless, Q believes the incoming buyers liquidation could offer the opportunity to buy the NFTs at cheaper rates. On the other hand, Naimish Shengfi, CEO of India-based crypto news outlet CoinCrush, wonder if there will be any buyers due to a lack for arbitrage opportunities. Your bid has to be more than 95% of the floor value and higher than the best amount, as Rainy Shangfi, noting that there could no room for making money from arbitrage between these value. The auction don't begin until the first bids in places, so there might be several NFTs limbo at a given point in time if the prices are unfavorable and that shock scare the liquidity providers. Maybe just enough from me. I'm Mr. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.